Channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you on how to create a professional and superb logo on ChatGPT. We'll be using Logo by NextGen design systems to create this awesome logo which you can use for design projects, your social media or your YouTube channel. By the way, if you think you'll like this video, please subscribe. We'll start by pasting your prompt. Now your prompt can be long, it can be paragraphs, but in my experience though, Logo by NextGen design systems works incredibly well. We'll hit enter and we'll wait for the generator to give us some ideas. Now I feel like we'll go for the rocket, so we'll type in rocket and it will just start designing our logo quite quickly. Now of course we can always adapt it if we do not like it or if we want to change it. There we go. Now in my opinion this logo looks absolutely amazing. Now as I said again, you can still change it if you want to. Let's try for a different background colour. I'm gonna go for purple. As you can see, this generator works really quickly and it really listens to your prompt as well. Oh, it can't generate anymore. But this is the video on how to create a logo on ChatGPT for free, and the whole process is incredibly easy. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.